Hello, my lovely people. Welcome to Creative Ends International. Today, I'm making a video on this beautiful hairband that you can see. I used the asoke for it, and the asoke I used is afro, though we have a little piece of the afro remaining after the whole of this project was completed. So, what I would be showing you is how I decorate this band. The description box, I will be putting how to make the cap itself. So the cap is here, is prepared already. I'm not making video on it. So quickly, what I am making video on is the design at the back. So I would need 18.5 inches by 20 inches. So 18.5 by 20. So it is not compulsory, it must be 18.5 by 20. It means you can increase your own, but this particular one I used 18.5 by 20. So you can do 20 by 20, you can do 25 by 25. It's a thing of choice. So let's just go through how we're supposed to achieve this design quickly. So on a slant, like you see where I position my hand now, you have to know where you want to be the sharp edge, because that sharp edge is compulsory for this design to come out. So you need that sharp edge. So after deciding that the side you want to use for the sharp edge, the next thing you do is to start your ruffles from the other end. So when you start your ruffles from the other end, you would gradually pick in every other part into the ruffles except the top, which you are determined to use for the final finishing. So to create ruffles is very easy, like the word sound, ruffles, rough, something rough. But out of that rough thing you are gathering and making like it does not make sense, there must be a shape that will come out of it. It is ruffles. So there must be a shape. You are doing something rough, you are just gathering everything and sewing it together. There must be a shape in your mind that you want to use these ruffles to achieve. So to create the ruffles, all we do is just gather the parts together and then use our needle and thread with the invisible thread. That is invisible thread is what I'm using to tack it through. It's more presentable when you